When an invoice is sent from ALSI, the customer receives an email with a secure card payment button. They open the invoice to review the invoice number, due date, and total, then select Pay Now. Stripe opens a secure checkout page where the customer enters their card details and billing information. All payment information is processed securely by Stripe. After payment, a confirmation page displays the amount paid and the corresponding invoice number. Back in ALSI, the payment is recorded automatically and the invoice status changes to paid, with no manual entry required.